Run. She runs in the morning for exercise. Walk. I walk to the park every evening. Eat. We eat breakfast together every day. Jump. The kids jump rope during recess. Talk. They talk on the phone for hours. Sleep. He sleeps for 8 hours every night. Dance. She dances at parties for fun. Listen. I listen to music while I work. Write. I write in my journal every evening. Swim. They swim in the pool during summer. Sing. She sings in the choir at church. Read. He reads a book before bed. Laugh. They laugh at jokes during lunch. Play. We play soccer in the park. Climb. He climbs trees in the backyard. Cry. She cries when she's sad. Clean. We clean the house every weekend. Cook. She cooks dinner for her family. Paint. She paints landscapes on canvas. Draw. He draws pictures in his notebook. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Drive. They drive to work every morning. Teach. She teaches math at school. Shop. He shops for groceries at the store. Work. They work in an office downtown. Learn. We learn new things every day. Think. He thinks about his future plans. Study. She studies for her exams at the library. Hug. We hug our loved ones tightly. Smile. She smiles when she's happy.
Jog.
She jogs around the neighborhood for exercise. Ride. They ride bicycles in the park. Sheep. They skip rope in the playground. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.